Welcome viewers to this new video. It's perimeter, which is a part of mensuration. It's the first video on mensuration. So I'll not extend the introduction any further. Let's get going. The definition of perimeter is the boundary of a closed curve. The measure of the boundary of a closed curve means a closed curve can be a polygon as well as a circle, right? Or any random shape as well, but it must close some area on the surface on which it is drawn, right? So perimeter is the length of the boundary of a closed curve. The perimeter of regular shapes like quadrilaterals, triangles, circles, pentagons, hexagons, etc. can be found by some simple formula, the few of which we are going to derive in the next few minutes. To understand what is perimeter, let's take an example. See, to understand the perimeter of rectangle, an example we have taken. See what's the example is describing. There is a rectangle of length 14 centimeter and breadth 7 centimeter, which means the parallel lines that are in the longitudinal directions have the magnitude of 14 centimeter, and the parallel lines that are running in horizontal direction have a breadth of have a length of 7 centimeter, right? A, who is a person, wants to paint its border at a rate of rupees 0.5 per centimeter. What will be the cost of painting? It's an easy example. Hope you will get the solution by yourself, but let us derive how the perimeter of rectangle can be found. See, solution. To find the cost of painting, first we need to find the perimeter of rectangle. According to the definition, the perimeter of the rectangle is, that is, we are going to derive it. We know that length is equal to 14 centimeter and breadth is equal to 7 centimeter. So perimeter of that rectangle will be equal to 14 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 14 centimeter plus 2 into 7 centimeter. And this implies, it is a law of algebra which is called the distributive property, that 2 into 14 centimeter plus 2 into 7 centimeter is equal to 2 into 14 plus 7 centimeter, which is equal to 42 centimeter. So how did we derive that 14 centimeter, which is the length, and 7 centimeter, which is the breadth? So if the situation is so, then the perimeter of the rectangle in variables will be equal to 2 into 14 centimeter, which means length, and plus 7 centimeter, which is the breadth, which is B. See, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore, the cost of painting is equal to perimeter into rupees 0.5, which is equal to 42 centimeter into rupees 0.5 per centimeter, which is equal to rupees 21. It was an easy sum, I hope so. Now let's move on to the perimeter of a circle. To derive the perimeter of a circle, let us take a look on the formula for deriving the perimeter or the circumference of a circle. See, it is underlined in blue that 2 into pi into radius is the circumference of a circle, which means the perimeter of a circle. Now let's derive it logically. We must be knowing that pi is a constant, which is circumference by diameter of a circle, which is marked as 22 by 7 or 3.14159. And for further information, let me tell you that it was found, the value of pi was found by our proud mathematician and the greatest ever mathematician of India, Aryabhatta. Now we know that diameter is equal to 2 into radius, which is 2r. Now if circumference is c and diameter is 2r and radius is r, then circumference of a circle, what will be the value in our variable, right? 2 into circumference by 2r, which is equal to pi, which is equal to circumference by diameter into r. That means 2 into r, which is diameter, into circumference by diameter. Now diameter into circumference over diameter. Diameter cancelled on both the sides, so the value that remains in our hand is our circumference. So we derived that circumference of a circle is c, which is equal to 2 pi r, when pi is equal to circumference by diameter or circumference by 2r, which is almost equal to approximately 3.14. Now let us move on to the perimeter of a square. See, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into sides. It is the easiest one in our whole perimeter video. See, let us consider the side of a square to be x. Let the magnitude of the or the length of the square be x, and all the sides of the square is equal to x. We know that in a square all the 4 arms are equal. That means if one of the arms is x, the other 3 will also be x. Therefore perimeter of a square is equal to x plus x plus x plus x, which is equal to 4 into x, which is 4 into sides. So perimeter of a square, the easiest one, 4 into side. So what do we conclude from this whole video? That any polygon with a finite number of sides, each with a magnitude of x, that means a polygon which is having a finite number of sides and each side having a value of x which is related to x, which is a function of x, then the polygon's perimeter is equal to summation of all the x, right? Means if one of the arms is x1, the second one is x2, then the third one, and so x3. Now it will go on like that. If it is a finite number, the number of sides of a polygon, if it is a finite, the perimeter of that polygon is equal to summation of x, which is the summation of the length of the boundaries. So this was the conclusion of the whole video. Hope you understood the concept of perimeter. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and this will help you grasping concepts of physics and mathematics easily. Thank you for watching the video.